What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we've got a freaking awesome one. I'm so pumped for it because we've been waiting on this thing forever. But this is the FIRST Borla Atak series exhaust bolt-on kit for 392 Rubicon Wrangler. So as you guys can see, I've got a 392 Wrangler behind me. You might recognize it from other videos on the channel. We've done quite a bit of work to this thing, and this is kind of the final piece of the puzzle. We've been waiting on this forever. It's a pricey exhaust, so it was well worth the wait. This is one of the first ones in the country other than the ones that Borla have put on themselves. So we're excited to get this thing on there, and we're gonna do a little before and after comparison for you. Let's go ahead and get after it. All right, well, that was the Borla Atak series exhaust for this 392 Wrangler, and let me say, that 392 was absolutely begging for this type of exhaust. I think it turned out freaking killer. I will say, there's a little bit of droning inside of the cab, but that's kind of to be expected on a Jeep that's not quite as soundproof as most other vehicles. So other than that, very happy with this, and well, that's kind of it. So we'll catch you guys on the next video.